Here in the barn. Figured I'd do the intro here because why not? And I'm also not sure what I'm doing yet. So I'm actually filming 2 videos today, and I don't know which one you're watching right now. So this will be the intro for both of them. But anyway, welcome to the channel. We're gonna do one of the final 2 mods to the Vulcan today. I literally only have 2 more things that I want to do, and then just ride it. So you're only gonna see 2 more videos on it. Maybe I'll do a moto vlog or 2. I'm gonna put some show you guys here. Sorry, I gotta move some crap out of the way. I just got done working on the Jeep. I'll actually link that video right here. But anyway, move this stuff out of the way here. So these are car atmosphere lights. Romantic creator apparently. But anyways, I know it says atmosphere lights and all that crap, but they're waterproof, weatherproof, and all that stuff, and there's only 4 of them. But anyway, I'm gonna put these on the bike. I'm gonna put 2 on under the tank and 2 under the rear fender. So 1 on each side of the underneath the tank and 1 on each side underneath the rear fender. And these actually plug into a USB, which crap, I can't get it out. But anyway, they plug into a USB, and then they also have I can control it with an app. So sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this real quick. I need 2 hands to do it, and then I'll show you guys how we're gonna do it on the bike. In the box you get some tiny zip ties, which come in handy, and I freaking wish I had stock in these darn things, but I only have big ones. Anyways, you get 4 LED strips. 2 of them are like 60 foot long, and 2 of them are like 40 foot long or something like that, so they're super long. But anyway, it's going on a motorcycle, so I don't need that much. And then you got your USB end, and then this end plugs into the controller right here. And that also has the 3M on it, so we can stick it somewhere. I'm planning on putting this underneath the seat, I think. But I don't know if this will be long enough to go from under the seat over. But anyway, my plan is, so if you watched my LED headlight install video, there's a positive and a negative up there. There's also one under the seat. So I have it on order, but I don't know when it's getting here. Anyway, it's a female end USB, and then it goes to positive and negative. So eventually it will be under the seat, but for now I'm gonna have to use the existing USB plug that I have, which is what I use to charge my phone, and then also charge the battery. So yeah, I'm gonna move over to the bike now. Okay, so here's my existing, this gets connected right to the battery, and then I have an adapter that runs to USB. It's for my battery tender, and then, like I said, switches to USB. So here's my phone charger, and it runs up. So we're gonna try to land right here for the USB, and that cord should be long enough to get me under the seat. So I'm gonna pop the seat off, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so once I pop the seat here, I'm looking, I actually don't think I have a positive and negative here, so, unless they're hiding somewhere, but I don't think I do. So, whoever commented on my LED headlight install video, mine doesn't have it, and if it does, hopefully you watch this video and comment again and tell me where it's at. But anyway, looks like that controller will fit right here. Run the wires right out this crack and over. So yeah, that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Alright, so I know I'm putting that controller in there, so I need this end in here, and then I need to go out probably right here somewhere. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, I see it. It's right in there. So I kind of need to come down just a little bit, and then it should come out right there. but I gotta stick my finger in there and grab it. So the only downfall to this is I only have one USB, so it's either gonna be I can run the LED Underglow or charge my phone, unless I buy another one of these with two. But it is what it is for now, I guess. Alright, I gotta try to get this. Alright, I gotta shut the camera off for a second. I need both hands. Okay, I've got plenty. Here's where it plugs in. I kind of just went right through here. I loosened up this side cover here. And went around the frame there and up in. So that's perfect to sit there. And then, yeah, I guess I'll put the controller in there and start trying to figure out how to run these lights. Alright, so one of the crappy things about this kit is that the LEDs are hardwired into the controller, so I can't just like run the wire. I gotta run the freaking light. But I'm thinking, so that's gonna fit in there like that, and I'll run these wires this way through that little gap and just follow the existing, and I'll shove them through the hole in the fender there, and I should be, yeah, see, there's my finger. So that's easy for the back too, that one and that one. And then the front two I'm going to put up under the tank here. There's a lip. But I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to run the wires yet. So I'm going to run these back ones real quick and yeah, just pretty much make sure wherever you're mounting these with the 3M tape, make sure it's freaking clean or they're not going to stick. They might stick for a while, but they'll end up falling off. So I'm going to clean underneath the fender. Ooh, excuse me. Underneath the fender right quick, and then run these ones and try to figure out the front. Alright. Figured out where I'm going to mount the back one. It's a flat surface, and it literally fits on there perfect. So on either side of the, I guess that'd be the frame rail. Not really a frame rail, but you know what I mean. One that comes back here. Sorry, I'm not 100% sure what stuff's called on this bike, but you know what I mean. That's where I'm going to put them, on that rail right there. I know it's hard to see because the camera won't focus on it, but it's flat from here all the way to right about there, and it fits perfect. So I'm going to clean that up on both sides and stick these suckers on. Untidy up the wires, and that'll be that. Alright, so my other GoPro died, and I was talking to it like an idiot. But anyways, I got these ones put on. You see them right here, and the other one's obviously right there. You just can't see it, but it's there. So before I tidy up these wires back here and install the front ones, I downloaded the app, and I'm gonna actually plug it in and make sure these damn things work before I get going too much farther. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, not sure if you guys can see that, but well, yeah, you can definitely see it. They are on. I have the app here. I don't really know how to use it at all, so let's just I'm gonna try to, you guys can maybe see both here. So let's go pink, a blue color, another blue color, some for yellow color, white, red, ooh, green. This is the color I would really like them to be, but there's red on my bike, so they'll probably be red all the time, because, you know, red, and there's a red pinstripe and all that. Green wouldn't look good. I love green though, but that's cool. And you can literally do whatever with them. That's actually pretty cool. So yeah, apparently you can do a style. What's white strobe? Oh yeah. Purple strobe? Green blue crossfade. 7-color strobe. Red blue crossfade. Red green crossfade. White gradual. Gradual. 7-color jumping change. 3-color jumping change. Static white. There's so much stuff you can do with this app. That's actually pretty cool. I wonder if you can speed up the strobe. Oh yeah, you can. Hold on a second, let me. That's awesome. And I can turn down the brightness. That's actually pretty cool. I'm surprised at how much stuff this thing does. I wonder if this is power. Yeah, okay, cool. So my USB has constant power, so I wanted to make sure I could turn them off if needed. So, alright, enough playing with this thing. Let's get these front ones ran, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, so I got the back pretty much cleaned up and tidied up here. Shouldn't be in the way. I gotta push this down a little bit though. Shouldn't be in the way of the seat, I hope. Now I actually got this whole side done too. It's probably not a good idea to run over the top, but I couldn't get it down through. So we'll see what happens, but zip tied all the way up. And I actually have it. It starts right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And ends up here. Got the other side on too. I just gotta pull the wire back and tidy it up, and then I'll show you guys what she looks like when it's done. Alright, I got the front ones on now. Check that out. So I got a little bit in the front so it shines backwards, and then down the side here. I kind of wanted them to shine down, but they were like the smoothest spots, so they kind of shine in, but that'll be fine. It's daytime, so it's hard for you guys to see, but I got the wires basically tidied up for the most part. Pretty much as good as they're gonna get, because yeah, there's not really anywhere to tidy them up on this, but it is what it is. And so I got this is for the Underglow, and then literally right here behind it, that's for my phone. It's all, you know, right here, easily accessible when I need to swap them. And then here's the back, which you guys have already seen. These ones also shine inward instead of down, but it'll be alright. At nighttime I think it'll still look sick. I'll come back out and show you guys at night anyway. But for now I'm gonna back it in, close the door, shut the lights off, and we'll see if that works. Give you guys a little bit of an idea what's going on here. Alright, so this is as close as I can get to dark because barn life. But there we go. I'm gonna hit the the on button right now. Heck yeah, that's gonna look cool. I don't really ride at night, as you guys know, but for the occasion, you know, that I do or feel like it, it'll look cool. I wasn't really gonna do this, but it wasn't expensive, so I figured why not. So here's the other side. This camera's not really picking this crap up, not really picking this up. But I don't know if you guys can really see that. Literally lights up everything under there, just like I wanted it to. Actually shines down quite a bit too. Doesn't light up the back at all of the engine, but does the front. So whatever, it's all right. And then back here, like I said, it's shines to the, here, let's see if you guys can see, right here on the wall, shines to the sides. I don't care that it does, because, you know, more lights on a motorcycle the better. There, check it out on the car over here too. Pretty cool. It's not it's exactly how I thought it would be. It is exactly how I thought it would be. Yeah. Anyway, I also thought about when I first was doing this, running them right here, up under that, so they would shine down, but I wouldn't have really been able to hide the wires at all up there. So yeah, anyway, I might remove these reflectors too. I don't know. Not sure yet. Remove those off the fender, and then these two off the fork right here. These ones. Might take those off. I don't know yet. But now there's literally only one other thing that I want to do to the bike. I did everything else that I wanted to do. So stay tuned for that. It's on its way. So yeah. You guys can't see me, but it's dark out. Got the lights on the bike. Let's turn them on. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick up at night, but yeah, they're pretty bright. Let's change the color and yeah, the camera doesn't really do it justice at all. There you go, you guys can see a little bit now. There you have it, guys. I don't even know if you can see me, but if you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below for you know, any questions, comments, whatever. And if you want to see more on this, well, one more video on this, unless I do a moto vlog. Any more on old Dusty over there? Got videos coming for that. Just like I said, working on finishing the smaller stuff first, which would be this, my wife's Jeep, which you didn't see the last video. I put a card up earlier, and yeah, I have a Titan, a couple four-wheelers, and yeah, if you guys want to see any of those, make sure you subscribe. See you guys in the next one.